designed for handling zip files, a popular compression format that helps save storage space and simplify file sharing. Rich Pascoe, the creator of CAM UnZip, is a recognized developer known for his contributions to lightweight and user-friendly utility software. His focus on simplicity and functionality is evident in the clean design and usability of CAM UnZip. The software allows users to quickly unzip files or create new zip archives with minimal effort. It is a standalone application that eliminates the need for complex tools, making it accessible even for those who aren't technically inclined. The intuitive interface ensures that users can perform file compression and extraction tasks with just a few clicks, saving time and reducing hassle. One of the standout features of CAM UnZip is its small size and efficient performance. Unlike many modern applications that are bulky and resource-intensive, this software is lightweight and fast, ensuring smooth operation even on older computers. Additionally, CAM UnZip supports various functionalities such as adding or deleting files from existing zip archives, making it versatile and practical for everyday use. CAM UnZip is especially popular for its simplicity, catering to users who prefer a no-frills approach to managing compressed files. Whether you are downloading compressed files from the internet or organizing your files into zip format for easy sharing, CAM UnZip delivers reliable performance. In conclusion, CAM UnZip by Rich Pascoe is a straightforward and dependable tool that fulfills the essential requirements for managing zip files. Its simplicity, efficiency, and user-friendly design make it a valuable addition to anyone's software toolkit, particularly for users who prioritize ease of use and effective functionality.